Hi there, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to solve spherical coordinate problem with you. Please, if this is the first time you are visiting this channel, kindly subscribe to support and please watch the video to the end. So we said convert the point neg1, 1, negative root of 2 from Cartesian to spherical. So you're moving from Cartesian to spherical. What is Cartesian? Cartesian is simply x, y, and what z, right? You're moving this into the spherical coordinate, which is rho, comma, theta, comma, phi. How do we do this? Yeah. So to do that, you ask yourself, what is x, y, z in terms of what I have here? Because I'm now switching from this domain to this domain. So I need to convert it this way. How do I do that? So simply, you remember that our rho is always given as square root of r squared plus z squared, where this is also given as the square root of what s squared plus y squared plus z squared. So straight away I can make my substitutions and I'll have neg 1 all squared plus 1 all squared plus negative root 2 all squared, right? So what am I getting? Square root of what? 1 plus 1 plus this gives me 1, 2. So square root of 4, which is 2. So my rho is 2. Now what is my theta? Theta, as I told you, is generally equal to tan inverse of what? Y on x at all times. So tan inverse of what is y? Y is 1 over negative 1, right? So tan inverse of negative 1, this is going to give me so tan inverse of negative 1 is negative 45. Negative 45. So when I divide this by 180, I should get negative 0.25 or negative 1 on 4 pi. That is enough. You can leave your answer here. So once I have my theta, the next thing is phi. Take note. So I said phi you can get phi in this form. Remember that z is equal to phi cos. Sorry, z is equal to rho cos phi instead. Yes. Where this, what's my z? My z is negative root 2. Negative root 2 is equal to my rho, which I calculated to be 2. Then you multiply this cos your phi, which you don't know. What do you do here? Your cos phi is simply going to be negative root 2 over 2. Is that not it? Then you take cosine inverse of the expression negative root 2 on 2. Now what are you getting? So cosine inverse of the expression negative root 2 on 2. That is 135 degrees. 135 degrees. And what is this in pi radians? It's 3 on 4. Okay. So meaning our phi is equal to 3 on 4 pi. But remember something here. I told you that phi is what? Line between 0 to 180. And we can clearly see that 135 is eligible range. So therefore, spherical coordinates, I'm getting P2, my theta negative pi, negative 1 on 4 pi, and I'm getting my phi to be equal to 3 on 4 pi. So let's see something here. So yes, so that is actually how we move on with these types of problems. Okay, yeah, so thank you for being with me in this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.